Hello, thanks for watching my video. My name is Dan and I live in London, England, and I'd like to welcome you to my lesson on how to perform basic editing tasks in a DAW. I'm going to demonstrate these tasks for you using Reaper. Well, I hope you enjoy the lesson. Okay, so to start off the project, I'm going to open up Reaper, and this is a sort of basic screen that you should get when you open it. I'm going to insert a new track, and to do that you double click over here. There's my new track, and I'm just going to put a little bit of audio in that. I've got a loop over here. I'm just going to drag in. Great. Okay, so I've got a loop in my track. Now it's a good idea to name your track, and you can do that over here by double clicking. This one I'll just call demo, and one of the editing tasks I'd like to start with is what referred to as trim, and in Reaper you can do that by hovering over the end of the audio file here and dragging it. So as you can see, I'm dragging it longer, and you can make it shorter as well. I'll just do that like that. And the second task I'd like to talk about is separate, just like cutting with the scissors. To do this in Tractor, you can just select one time area, and then if you right click you get these options. I'm going to go down to split items at cursor. Shortcut for that is S, and click that. Now what this does is actually just cuts a line, so you've got two separate regions that you can edit independently. As soon as you've got more than one region, it's a good idea to name these regions. So my track name is demo. My region name over here is now something quite long and complicated, so I'm just going to select this region, right click and go to item properties. Here I can take the take name, change that to demo 1. Now you should be able to see there demo 1. Okay, the next task I'm going to explain is fade. Now in Reaper, if you hover over a corner you get this icon, and if you drag that, that will create a fade. I can do it on that side, and I can do it on this side as well, so that will fade in nicely. Now if you overlap an audio file, it will automatically crossfade. Hopefully you can see that crossfade, those lines there, and you can edit that as you want. Now I'm just going to talk about the grid. This button over here enables a grid. As you can see, these sort of vertical lines over here, and you can toggle those on and off. Grid is important. If I'm dragging this with a grid on, it'll just set to these sort of grid markers, and if I grab it with the grid off, as you can see, I can do more freehand sort of changes. Okay, well that's the very basics of editing in Reaper. Thanks very much for watching my lesson.